Got an AP1 S2000 transmission. A lot of guys complain of their throw-up bearing or their clutch release fork making noise. What you find is that the actual clutch release fork just rides on the throw-up bearing very easily, and you can actually see this one wiggles. So I pull this thing out, you can actually make this thing make lots of noise. This actual rod on the center part is just pressed in. It's got some bearings in it, and they wear out pretty easily. This car had about 50,000 miles on it, and it started to make a good amount of noise. So we went and got a new one from Honda, and you can see the difference. Very little noise. So if your S2000 makes a lot of crazy squeaky noises, rattling noises from the clutch area, and you've put all the grease on the shifter fork, you've tried all the different things, when you go to do your next clutch, you might find that this actual pivot point is wore out and rattling while you're revving out. So as you're doing your clutch, check this thing next time. You might want to buy a new one.